welcome back to my channel. I'm doing evening filming today because we had to go out on an essential errand today and I got all dressed up and made up for that. So I figured this would be a great time to do a couple of videos because this weekend I'm going to be plain and comfortable and doing lots of computer work. So I bought a little bracelet and I'm wearing it right now. So here's the bag that it came in. Of course, the box. Here's the thicker envelope that you get when you order, when it comes directly from LV. I did use my CA's link. I encourage you guys to contact your CA or your CA of your choice or all of them and get the link that they can send you, and then that way you order through the link and they get the credit for the purchase since they're not in the store making the sales right now. So here it is. It is gold and it is a lock style epi leather lock bracelet. So you see the L and the V. I have become obsessed with the lock style. I love it on my handbag. I love it on my boots. And so now I have a bracelet. I'm hoping to get the black one if it becomes available anytime soon. I didn't see actually this gold one. I looked today and I didn't see it at all on the website. The black one has the notify me for the size that I want. Hopefully when they open, I'll be able to source it if they're no longer carrying it. But I do absolutely love the gold. Obviously for those of us who like to stack, I like the difference in colors because some of my stuff has some gold in it, some of it has some silver in it, and I love mixing both colors. Those are just fun to me. But yeah, that's what it is. I'm hoping you guys are having a good weekend and have some fun plans. Creative plans, I should say, I guess. For being at home, you got to get creative. So don't just clean, just relax and have a good time. You'll see more videos on my channel. If you do subscribe, you'll notice there's some videos popping up that were pre-quarantine, and that's because I'm blending my two channels into one. It's just going to completely be just Cosmolife, like the Cosmolife style. So that's going to include other parts of my life. So I do have all the categories on my channel. So if you don't want to see certain categories, you don't have to. If you're just there for the looks, that's fine. If you're there for some more, that's fine. So there's more videos being added. I only have a few more left to add and actually have more to edit and add. So I don't want to post too many videos in one day, so I'm kind of scheduling them out. My Instagram name is now _cosmo.life. I just took the Lux out because I do more than luxury items in my life. I do enjoy a good sale, a good bargain, and I do things. So there'll be some vlogs, there'll be some traveling once we're able to again. There is my very video happy puppy, and also my teenagers that want to show up and do unboxing. Plus I love makeup, so there's a lot of makeup involved in my life, and it ranges from good sales to good brands. So yeah, it's a Cosmo life, and Cosmo means cosmopolitan, and that's basically how I was raised in a cosmopolitan lifestyle. So that's where the Cosmo comes from. I just wanted to expand it out into my other categories and just do it all in one place. It's much easier that way. Hope you guys are having whatever type of weekend you want, whether it's a restful one or a productive one or an organizing one, Netflix and hangout weekend, whatever it's gonna be. Just have fun and be safe and take care of yourselves, and I will see you in my next video.